In this video, we are going to take a look at setting display names for tests. And JUnit has a real nice feature. And what you can do is you can come in here and use the annotation, display name, and give your test a meaningful name. Something like proper. So I'm saying here, display name, test proper view name is return for index page. So when I come in and run this, what's going to happen, I'll show you here, is you can see now I have test proper view name as return for index page. And that is now showing up in the test. And it doesn't matter the order of the annotation, so I can come here and say test exception. And now if I run this again, we'll see it will go from the method name of the test to the display name. And the JUnit ecosystem is going to set this up so that tools like the IDE and test reports can pick up these names so they have meaningful names. So this is a real nice feature. The Spock community has had this for a long time, where you could do proper sentences or more descriptive things rather than just snake case for your test descriptions. So this is a nice capability. And in the string here, JUnit documentation says that just text, special characters, and even emojis are available. So you can do a lot of special characters in this. So some nice capabilities. I don't use display name a lot unless I have a large body of tests and I want to give it something more meaningful. So like here, that name was test index. Now I've given it a more meaningful name. And this is more for you and your tooling. So when something goes wrong, you have a proper test name, and you can see something more meaningful when something fails. So obviously on line 20, when it was named index, so if I just comment this out and run this again, we'll see it switch back to index. That isn't very meaningful for a test name. But if I come back and provide it like so, that does give you a more meaningful name. So this just gives you your test a little more polished and more professional look. It's a nice to have. I don't always use it, but when I do get into something that's snake case and it doesn't make a lot of sense from the eye, or I want something more descriptive there, I definitely use it. So this is a nice tool to have in your JUnit testing tool bag.